The trading panel works on the supported platforms and is an add-on to the platform we use to boost performance, using Bloom to handle transactions, orders, wallet management, and actions like, for example, DevSol. How does it work? It's connected to the settings, so clicking opens the settings panel of our manager. We can resize it, minimize it, reopen it, and also enable shortcuts. Clicking this button opens the wallet section where we can select all wallets or just some and use features like split and consolidate explained in our docs. Besides that, we can check the active orders for the specific coin, which will also show up on the chart, and cancel them. Here we see the presets. Depending on how many presets we have, we'll see them laid out horizontally. By clicking, we'll change our buy settings, where we can also enter a custom amount or use a percentage, or in the case of Solana, the currency of the selected chain. If we've enabled DevSell in the settings, we have the DevSell button, and in it is used to sell the initial, meaning the value we bought. At the bottom, we see a performance recap, how much we've bought, sold, and then our P&L. Everything is fully integrated with the manager, with orders from both the manager and Telegram, and we can manage it across all supported platforms.